Hello, this is Paul Cannon. I'm at Body Balance Chiropractic and Health and Wellness Center in Houston with my chiropractor, Dr. Taher, and he is going to give me some advice on what people can do who've been involved in an accident in order to help ease their back pain from the whiplash at home, as well as what he can help do for them.
Hi, thank you, Paul. Again, my name is Dr. Taher with Body Balance Chiropractic Wellness. I've been in practice for well over 20 years. The easiest thing anybody can do after an accident, ice. Just remember, ice is the easiest thing. You got to reduce the inflammation. If it starts to swell up, then things start to get out of hand after that. Now, if the pain persists, then we can do other things. The easiest thing that we can do is get a spinal alignment, trying to get all the bones in good alignment. Sometimes these bones get pushed out of place due to trauma or an accident, and then they irritate the nerves. So our job is to try and get everything back in place, get it moving and functioning the way it should be. So there's a couple ways that we can do that, either using our hands, and you've probably seen a lot of videos where people do that, and you hear some pops and cracks, and there's certainly nothing wrong with that.